Just one glass of yam milk will keep you away from doctors. This video is very important, so stay until the end so you don't miss anything. And tell me where this video is going. Here it's called YAM, but in your city, what is it called? Yams can improve brain function, help you lose weight, regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and so on. The yam is a type of tuberculous vegetable, which originated in Asia, and its consumption became very popular after it was discovered that you can make a recipe for kissing that, besides being very easy to make, is very tasty and nutritious. Many people who have lactose allergy and are on a diet consume this milk, because it has no fat. And unlike cow's milk, which has already been proven that regular consumption worsens the inflammatory process, yam milk, on the other hand, acts as an anti-inflammatory. At the end of the video, I prepared a recipe with yam milk, for you to benefit from all the medicinal properties it has. Because it is a source of carbohydrates, the consumption of yam milk ensures plenty of energy for our brain to stay active throughout the day. Benefits and characteristics of yams. The yam has a grayish color after the removal of the peel, which is brown. Also, through yam milk, it becomes an alternative beverage for those who have lactose intolerance, which is the sugar in milk of animal origin, or casein allergy, which is the protein in milk. Learn about some of the nutritional benefits of yams. Considered a food rich in slow absorption carbohydrates, yams help control blood sugar levels, our glycemia. One of the greatest benefits attributed to yams is the presence of a phytohormone, called Diogenes, which can ease the symptoms of premenstrual tension, the dreaded PMS. It is classified as a functional food, for containing vitamins, minerals, and active nutrients, which contribute to overall health. It is considered a blood cleanser because it helps remove impurities from our body through sweat, urine, and the intestines. It is important for the proper growth and development of children and also to increase our immunity, besides being very tasty. Yam is also a good vegetable source of calcium, necessary for healthy bones, besides iron, essential for blood circulation, and potassium, for the balance of blood pressure. It is a source of vitamin C, essential for protection against colds and flu. It has a lot of fiber in its composition. The fibers help in satiety and also in the intestine health, helping to control the cholesterol and glucose levels in the blood. But is yam milk bad for you? No, it is not bad. However, it is not ideal to consume too much of the raw vegetable. This is because studies show that this tuber has some anti-nutritional factors, which may interfere in some body functions and even in the absorption of some nutrients. These are mainly generated by the presence of calcium oxalate. If you have kidney problems, such as calcium oxalate kidney stones, avoid consuming yams. Now let's learn some recipes. How to make yam milk. You just need to pound the yam with water, then sift it and use a very clean cloth to do the filtering and separate the solid residues, or just don't strain it and use the whole, fiber-filled milk. How to make the original yam milk. We will need 300 grams of already peeled and grated raw yam and 400 milliliters of filtered water at room temperature. Pour the grated yam into the blender and the water. Blend for 5 minutes, or until it is well blended and chunky. Strain with a fine sieve or a cloth and store in a closed container in the refrigerator. For those who don't want to prepare the yam milk with raw yams, they can make it with cooked yams. For this you will need a little more water. For the same amount of yam peeled and cut into small pieces, which would be 300 grams, you will need 700 milliliters of water. The yam, peeled and cut into small pieces, is put in a medium-sized pot with water halfway up, to cook and make it very soft. Discard the cooking water and add 700 milliliters of filtered water and the cooked yam in a blender. Blend for 3 minutes, strain and store in a closed container in the refrigerator. You can add vanilla, cinnamon, and other spices to flavor your milk. After it is ready, you can make your favorite milkshakes with it. Today's message is from Deuteronomy 31:8. The Lord is the one who goes before you. He will be with you. He will not leave you or forsake you. Do not fear or be dismayed. God will not leave you in the lurch. Until the next video. Bye.